So what if you could just wipe the slate clean? Erase years of damage to your lungs with a simple pill or some kind of special tea. I mean, that's the big promise of the whole lung detox trend, right? It's this booming market built on the idea that you can just wash away the effects of smoking or pollution. And it's a really tempting idea. But is there any truth to it? Or is it just really good marketing? Well, today we're going to cut through the noise and find out what science actually has to say.
And look, this isn't just some niche internet fad. This is a question that real people are asking every single day. Just take a look at this post from a user on a COPD forum. They're hopeful, but they're also being smart about it, wanting to talk to their doctor first. And that's exactly the right way to think. It just goes to show how many of us are out there, looking for real, legitimate ways to protect our lungs.
And boy, has the market responded. You've got pills, you've got vitamins, special teas, essential oil diffusers, even these things called salt inhalers. And they all have the same powerful message. Here's a simple solution for a really complex problem.
A reset button for your lungs. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? But if there's one thing we know about health, it's that you've got to be really skeptical of anything promising a quick fix. So that brings us to the big question. Can you really detox your lungs in the first place?
To answer that, we have to start with the lungs themselves, because as it turns out, they come with their own incredible built-in defense system. And here it is, the fundamental truth that the detox industry often kind of ignores. Your lungs are self-cleaning organs. The American Lung Association is crystal clear about this. The best thing you can do for your lungs is to stop exposing them to pollutants. The healing process starts all on its own the moment you remove the source of the damage.
But it actually gets worse. It's not just that these products probably don't work, some of them can be flat out harmful. Dr. Norman Edelman from the American Lung Association puts it plainly. Inhaling oils, which is exactly what many diffusers do, can be dangerous. Plus, these products aren't FDA approved, which means there's really no guarantee that they're safe or that they do what they claim.
So, if the magic pills and oils are off the table, what's the real path to healthier lungs? Well, the science on this is incredibly consistent. It's not about adding something new. It's about removing the harm and then supporting your body's amazing natural ability to heal. That means quitting smoking, avoiding pollution, and then actively boosting your lung function with things like exercise and, as we're about to see, the right kinds of food.
All right, next up, let's talk about something you might not immediately connect with your breathing, the food that's on your plate.
The research is clear. There's a direct connection between your diet and your lung health. You see, foods that are rich in antioxidants, like the flavonoids you find in berries and green tea, they don't cleanse your lungs. Instead, they act more like bodyguards for your cells. They help fight off inflammation and give your body the building blocks it needs to repair damage. Think of it as a construction project, not a demolition job.
And this chart from a 2023 study really shows us what this looks like in the real world. Researchers looked at smokers and their diets. Take a look at that bar on the far left. That's the group that didn't follow a Mediterranean-style diet. They had a nearly 40% rate of lung impairment. Now look at the other two bars. The groups who did follow that diet, significantly healthier lungs. That's not a coincidence. That's powerful evidence. So what exactly is this Mediterranean diet? Well, it's actually pretty simple. It's all about whole foods. Tons of vegetables and legumes, lots of fruits and nuts, whole grains, and healthy fats from things like olive oil and fish. The key here is that these foods are naturally jam-packed with the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help protect your lungs from stress. But it's not just about what you put into your body. It's also about how you use it. You can literally train your lungs to be more efficient. Let's walk through two amazing techniques. First up is diaphragmatic breathing, which you might have heard called belly breathing. This is all about re-engaging your diaphragm, that big, powerful muscle at the base of your lungs that's supposed to do most of the work when you breathe. By consciously using it, you can take fuller, deeper breaths with a lot less effort, which helps lower your breathing rate and can even reduce stress.
Next is pursed lip breathing. Now this one is a total game changer for anyone who deals with shortness of breath. By breathing out slowly through pursed lips, you create a little bit of positive pressure back in your airways. It's like it gently holds them open a little longer. This helps you get all that old, stale air out so you can make room for fresh, oxygen-rich air. It is an incredibly effective way to feel more in control of your breathing.
Okay, we've covered a lot of the science, so now let's put it all together into a simple, easy-to-follow action plan.
So here's the bottom line. The real secret to lung health isn't in a bottle. It's in your daily habits. It all comes down to 4 key things. Number 1, protect your lungs. Avoid pollutants, and that especially means quitting smoking. 2, fuel your body with a nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory diet. 3, strengthen your whole system with regular physical activity. And 4, train your lungs to work smarter with intentional breathing. That's it. That is the real playbook.
So, forget the quick fixes. The power to improve your lung health is already in your hands. The real question isn't which detox product you should buy, it's which healthy habit are you going to start. What's the one small step you'll take for your lungs, starting today?
And just a quick reminder before we wrap up, this is all for informational purposes. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Please always talk to your doctor or another qualified healthcare provider before you make any big changes to your diet, exercise routine, or your overall health plan.
Thank you for being here with me today. Remember, small choices create big changes. Keep nourishing your health with love and consistency. See you in the next Vital Elixir video.